Good morning, everybody. I know the lighting is very weird. I have my little red light on over here. I like to do that. Well, I'm about to start exercising, and I do that on a screen. And with what I've been learning about light and stuff, I am trying to balance out the blue and all the other colors in the screen with some more red light, because red light is not as prevalent in screen light, I guess. So I just turn on my red light. It's just a little, this is not my big red light panel that I'll be talking about soon in a video, but I just have a little LED light bulb lamp. And so when I have the screens going, I turn that on also just to kind of balance out the color spectrum. That's my idea, at least, and it's very calming and nice. It is 5:16 a.m. and I have been waking up a lot earlier these days than I had been for a while. I typically am not like a sleeper-inner. I don't sleep in a lot, but I had been sleeping till like 7:30 for a long time. That had been kind of my regular, and then with some health changes and stuff that I have made over the last few months, I have just been waking up earlier. It started happening through the winter when it's the darkest early, and so I don't think it has to do with, the sun rising and stuff like that. I think something's going on with my health, and I like it. I actually feel really good waking up early. I have a lot of energy, and it's just like I'm just ready to get up. I do go to bed pretty early. I'll usually be in bed by 9:30. That's typical. So I'm still getting a good night of sleep. Okay, so I am going to bring you along on my day today and my activity and food. I don't have to go anywhere today. Today is a at-home day. We might get some snow later. The kids are hoping for that. There was snow in the forecast, which we don't get very much here. So it would be very exciting if snow started falling. This morning I have my coffee. I do drink coffee first thing in the morning. I have about 2 tablespoons of cream in here, and I'm enjoying that. I've been going back and forth on trying to eat something first thing in the morning, because everyone says that having coffee on an empty stomach is not great. I haven't noticed any negative things from it, but I still have that in my mind, like, oh, I should probably not do that. I should probably just eat something. But I don't want to eat something first thing in the morning. I just want my coffee. So I'm just enjoying my coffee. And maybe at some point I will make that habit to eat earlier or to wait to have my coffee. But, one thing at a time here. We're doing all right. So that's how I have my setup. I have my red light just shining, illuminating the room. And then I have my screen there. I have to plug my computer in to get that screen to work. It doesn't work independently. Anyways, I am going to be doing a workout here. I have been doing workouts from C. Dorner Fitness on YouTube. She is absolutely fantastic, and she does so many live workouts. I don't know how she does it. Like, she is a freaking superhero. She does lots of live workouts. She will put out a calendar every week of 6 workouts in the week. Some are pre-recorded, and a lot of them are live, and this one this morning is live, and it's a dance workout. She does step aerobics, other kinds of aerobics. She does a lot of weight training, which I really like. She really does a variety of different kinds of exercise. She does some Tabata and some mobility, just really good all around fitness, like cross training, all the things. And I cannot believe that I have been doing step aerobics and enjoying it. It's been super, super fun. So definitely recommend checking out C. Dorner Fitness. It works out that the workouts are at 6 a.m. my time. So with my new early rising, it's worked out really well to go ahead and get my workout in at 6. So I will be doing the workout here in a little bit. I still got like 45 minutes to relax and drink my coffee and get some cardio in. Yesterday was a heavy weightlifting workout, so definitely got my weights in yesterday, and today will be a bit of cardio. Exercise class is about to start, so I need to mix up my electrolytes because I finished my coffee and I know I'm going to be thirsty for something a little bit more hydrating really soon.
This is the perfect time to say thank you to Element, who is the sponsor of the video today. Element is my favorite electrolyte drink mix. It comes in these handy little packets, all different flavors. There's certain flavors that are like my staples that I just could drink every single day and never get tired of them. But they also have some really unique, different flavors that I just enjoy periodically just to mix things up a bit. And the mango chili is definitely one of those. It's a little bit spicy. I don't like a lot of spice, so my tip for that is to mix it half and half with the citrus salt. I love that because I like the mango flavor. I like that little bit of spice, and then the citrus salt just tones it down a little bit. It's delicious. They also still have their warm winter flavors available. They are here for a limited time, so they will be going away soon. So if you wanted to stock up on these, now is a good time to do it. There's the chocolate raspberry, chocolate chai, and chocolate mint, and you get them in the chocolate medley pack, 10 sticks of each. So definitely check those out soon if you are interested in them. Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. You can get a free sample pack that contains 8 of their regular flavors in it. It does include one of the mango chilies if you want to try that without buying an entire box, not knowing for sure if you'll like it. But it has 8 of their regular flavors in there, so you can just test them out and see what you like. To get the sample pack, all you have to do is use my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click the link, place an order for anything on the website, either the drink mixes or the sparkling element, and you will automatically get the free sample pack added to your order.
Got the workout done. It was 45 minutes, average heart rate 137, max heart rate 155. So not too much higher than zone 2, but bumped up a little bit, definitely. Totally out of my comfort zone, this kind of a workout. It's not something I'm good at. I am not a dancer, never have been, but it's been really good for me to challenge myself to do something that I don't normally do. It's good for my brain, it's good for my body, and it's super, super fun. And I always remind myself, no one can see me. Notice I didn't take any video of myself doing the workout. Also, it is 6:47 and I am already at over 5,000 steps. So definitely a great way to start out my day, getting my steps in so I don't have to worry about it. Towards the end of the day, I do try to get at least 10,000 steps a day. And for 2025, I have not missed a day yet. I've gotten at least 10,000 steps every single day. And so definitely getting these little bit of cardio workouts in the morning helps with that. So I don't have to worry about it when I actually just want to go to bed. I've been trying to get morning sunlight around sunrise, and that coincides well with Izzy needing to come out. Oh, did we forget a ball? Did we forget a ball? Ooh, it was so windy last night. The cap for our chimney blew off. My husband texted me this morning. It was like, don't use the fireplace today. The chimney cap blew off in the storm, and the snow has started. I don't know if you guys can see that on the video. You probably can. We'll see. We're supposed to get snow and ice, it sounds like. Oh, went too far. It's 7:45 now, and I'm going to get going on making some breakfast. I pulled this out of the freezer yesterday because I just needed to clear some stuff out, and I thought I would make a hash with some potatoes and some turkey, and then maybe cook an egg or two and put that over the top. I also have some leftover veggies. It was like a veggie blend that was from Costco, and I'll probably throw that in there as well. I do try to add veggies at every meal, so my meals are usually a protein, that's the base, and then a starch or a fruit, and then I always try to add some kind of veggies in there. It's really easy once you start eating carbohydrates to just eat protein and starch or protein and fruit, but I'm trying really hard to make sure I get the veggies in. So I will put that together and then I'll show you what it looks like. This made a massive plate of food. I do not know if I will finish it all, but I might. So I have my potatoes stir fried with the turkey and the veggies. The veggies were like Brussels sprouts and bell peppers and onions, maybe another thing or two. And then I have my 2 farm fresh eggs on top from our chickens and a little bit of pico de gallo. I had a little bit left in a container in the fridge that needed to be used, so I threw that on top as well. I'm gonna have a second cup of coffee for the day. This one has 6 ounces of frothed whole milk instead of cream. All the goaties are getting a little munching in before the storm really gets going, but we are getting some snow sticking, so it's very exciting.
You cannot go to the barn. It is raining too fast. Why won't they let them go out if it's raining too fast?
Might get too cold. It is about 1:30 right now, and I'm getting some food cooked that will be my lunch. I made a big pot of tomato sauce with some ground beef out of the deep freeze, and I am cooking up a serving of chickpea pasta for myself. This is the one that I have found that I like the best, chickpea. It has chickpeas and yellow peas in it. It's delicious. So I have a 2-ounce serving cooking in there, and then I'm gonna add some I think I have Romano cheese and then some cottage cheese. I always like to mix in some cottage cheese so it's kind of like faux lasagna. So I'm gonna get that mixed up, and then for dessert I am gonna have one of these peanut butter fat bombs from Marigold. All right, this is gonna be my lunch. It's about 6:45 and I'm not terribly hungry for dinner, and I'm just gonna do something pretty simple. I'm doing yogurt for dinner. You could call that breakfast for dinner. So I am doing 6 ounces of the non-fat Greek yogurt, and then I have 4 ounces of this probiotic yogurt that I made. It's a different recipe from the Super Gut book. It uses the mood probiotic. I haven't used it consistently enough to know really how it's affected me, but I want all the benefits, it says. The name of the cultures, I guess it's a blend. Lactobacillus, I'm not going to do it. And so there's those 2 there. So 6 ounces of the Greek yogurt, 4 ounces of the mood probiotic yogurt, and then I used a serving of the chocolate grass-fed whey from Marigold Foods. I love this. It mixes into the yogurt really, really nicely, really smoothly, and that bumps up the protein enough to really make it a complete meal. And for my carb, I'm gonna add a banana, just chop that up after I mix this all together. So it's the next morning now, and in a minute I'm gonna show you my full breakdown of macros and calories for yesterday. But first I wanted to give you guys a snow update. So yesterday the snow didn't last very long. We got just kind of a skiff, and Renee did make some snowballs with it. She really gathered up some snow to make a couple of snowballs. So that was kind of disappointing, and it was melted by the afternoon. But then I woke up this morning and looked outside. Let me show you. We got a blanket of snow. We've probably gotten at least 2 inches, maybe 3 inches, but it's still coming down. It's supposed to come down probably until around 11 a.m. So the kids aren't up yet. It's only 7 a.m. right now, but they are going to be so excited. And Renee is my little snow princess, and she will just play out in the snow for hours and hours. Everybody else gets cold and has to come inside, and she's just out playing and playing and playing in the snow. She loves the snow, and apparently so does Izzy. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? So here's a peek at my total calories and macro breakdown. And I did want to mention real quick that I'm not counting calories on a regular basis these days, or counting macros on a regular basis. I just kind of have a general idea of where things usually land for me, where I kind of feel the best, and I can pretty much just eat to hunger, and it usually lands somewhere around
what it landed at today. So total calories I got for the day was 2,281. I got 153.2 grams of protein. That ended up being 27% of my calories. I got 97.4 grams of fat. That was 38.7% of my calories. And I got 194.4 total carbs. That was 34.3% of my calories. I got 23.1 grams of fiber, and that brought my net carbs to 171.2.
They can't decide if they want to be out or if they want to run back to their warm little home. And they're like, where is all the green stuff to eat? Where did it go? We got some icicles. Those are cute. I know, we got tag-alongs. Did you three need something too? There's a lot of snowballs.
Yeah. A snowman in that tree.
Whoa. Ready for this one? Are you a snowy cat? Okay. He got his arms in there.
This is the perfect carrot.
Yeah, it is. I thought so. What you making, Tal?
Snow ice cream.
What flavor?
Vanilla.
Oh, nice. The snowman is done, Levi.
Yeah.
Renee did such a good job. Hopefully Maple doesn't knock it down. What?
That we okay with?
Yeah.
Renee, can you go get some bowl? And like a big spoon?
What do you think? Is Tally a good chef?